Greetings and thank you for joining Excel Made Easy. In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate a straightforward approach to adding numbers in Excel. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that there are multiple advanced methods for performing addition in Excel. However, for this tutorial, we will focus on the basic method. Here we're going to concentrate on the basic, simple way how to add two numbers in a table. We'll use this table as an example to show how to work out anything we need, step by step. There are numbers written in columns A and B. Thanks to an easy formula, we'll add them and the result will appear in column C. First, click on the cell in which you want to display the result. Let's select cell C2 for our first calculation. Now, find the equal key and press it. This works as some kind of signal to Excel that we want to enter a formula in the cell. Then we click on the cell that contains the first number to be added. In this case, it's cell A2. Once we've selected the cell, we can see how another part of the formula appeared after the equal sign. It's the cell reference, A2. Next, we need to add the symbol for the mathematical operation we want to carry out, so we'll use an plus. After that, click on the cell which you want to add. In this case, it is B2. So, what we've just done is that we've told Excel to add the number in cell B2 to the number in cell A2. Hit enter and you're done. The result is available at once. You can use similar steps to subtract, multiply, or even divide in Excel. You can watch separate tutorials that describe how to do these calculations in more detail. But this is not all. Here comes a handy little life hack just for you. If you need to add the numbers in rows 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we've just created, which is cell C2. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol. Then use left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And here it is. Good job! You've managed to add the numbers in all 3 rows. If you found this video tutorial informative and useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content from Excel Made Easy. Be sure to check out our other quick and easy Excel tutorials to improve your Excel skills. Thank you for watching and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.